right? Okay. Right, so it goes to 32, and we know how strong 32, 34 is, right? It's the high. Okay. All right. It couldn't take it. Couldn't take that. Right. That 32. All right. Take it. Right. And clean break of 27. Right. Is the same as a clean break of now 32. 27. It'll continue to 24, 22. Right. Depending on that break, the odds are a clean break of 27. Price is going to continue going to 24, 22, and 17. That's the what if. All right? That's scenario number 2. What we are expecting to happen is the price to do some shenanigans here. This no man's land. Bounce, continue, test the high, the last one, 32. A little bit of shenanigans here, 34. Taking 34, that's not going to be easy because 34 is a CTC bearish, a strong bearish signal, right? But the odds are that that's the level that's going to be taken, and a continuation to 38, 39 as target 1, right? And the target 1 for the bears is 17. Okay? Alrighty, so we all clear?
Clear as a bell.
Clear as a bell. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Okay, so remember what I told you many times. The importance of 27, right? Okay. So, 27. Oh my God, look at this thing, man. Oh, you're 27. Yeah, that's right. We need a clean break of 27 for the price to continue going to 24, 22, right? The forecast is that the price is going up. Now, this taking of 27 diminish the forecast, right? So we have now less expectations that the price is going to do what we said. It's going to go up, it's going to bounce off of 26, right? Here, 26, 27, and it's going to go test 32, break it, 34, break it, continuation to target 139. That's the forecast, right? All right, so yeah, sure, it's working beautifully. The right long 26. But the odds are lower now, okay? And as a matter of fact, remember what I told you about 32, 34. It's a strong, prosadical, bearish setup. It's as strong as it gets. For the price to break it, we need, at the time of taking it, a lot of gunpowder. Alrighty then. Okay, so nice bounce here. I'm telling you, I'm expecting a recoil of 32, 34. Absolutely. So I'm gonna tell you this. Do not think by any means that just because we're long here, 28, 20, 26, right? 26, 27, that we are out of the woods. All right? It's just a razor sharp entry, long, right? So that we can continue with our forecast, right? But it still needs to break 34, 32 and 34 for us to feel comfortable that we're going to continue going to 39. And I do not see that break easily.
Capi, I have a bullish Adam and Eve.
Oh, okay. So, like,
Sean is +5.
oh, okay, terrific. All right, so you just heard me state, right? We have she just called a bullish odd enhancer. Oh, okay, so that gives us a little bit of a more confidence that we are on the right track. All right? Okay, so 32, 34, right? As a matter of fact, I know these trends of 34, 35 so well that I'm pretty sure that counter trenders, they're gonna give it a shot, all right? All right, they're gonna give it a shot. They're gonna go short. 30. Look at that mistake, right? So isn't this what exactly what I just said?
Exactly.
Look at that, 33 half. Boom! He couldn't take it. Look at it, just couldn't take it, right? That's the strength of that. What is it that we have? We have a Sammy, a Barry Sammy. Oh, okay.
Bullish at a money.
Oh, okay. That's the alt enhancer. All right. So okay. All right. So let's all right. Let's go. Look at that mistake.
Holy cow.
I'm telling you. Didn't I tell how many times I've said the strength of this setup? 34. Look at it. I'm telling you. It's all recorded. Okay. So I'll say it again. We are by no means out of the woods on this long 26 that we took. Alrighty? Yeah, sure, we have a bullish odd enhancer and we almost tested 34. We need a taking of 34. We need it. And 35, of course, for us to feel comfortable that we're going to get our target 39. Alrighty? Any second, this thing can continue going down, 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 take 27, and we know, right? And we know where it's going. 24, 22, 17. That's exactly what we are, where we are at right now. So what is it we're expecting? A chop right here, 24, 35, 11-point chop. Okay? All right then. Okay. Okay, so divide. Well, continue. All right, so what do we want? We want, right, so we are in a 11-point wave right here, 24, 34, 10 points, right? 10 point, 24, 34, 24, 34, okay? We want our forecast 39, right? From entry long here, 27, 26, right? For 12 points at 39. That's target 1. We know the importance of 27. We've known it since 9 a.m. this morning, right? Look at it. It is. It's right here.
Yes, we did.
Okay. So, and we know that taking this high is not going to be easy, right? Look at it. Another attempt cannot continue. No follow through. Right? That's what. So, because remember, not only we need to know where the price is going, but how it's going to get there, because that's the only way that you're going to be able to manage it the best possible. All right? Long story short. Okay, so let's see. What do you want? Right? 33 half, okay? As a matter of fact, ladies and gentlemen, believe it or not, you know how usually the longer the price chop, the tougher the forecast gets? Well, in this case here today, we won this chop, right? In this particular case, we won this chop, right? Why? Because we have to measure if we are in a accumulation, if the smart money is hiding their accumulation, right? That's what we have to do. That's what we think so far, right? Because they're accumulating, and then the break is to the upside, right? Price will advance. All right. So if we are in an accumulation, the more time the price spends here, then we're gonna get that break that we're looking for, that we need, because that 34, like I told you 45 minutes ago, it's not gonna be taken easily. Yeah, sure, we're long from 26. Oh, okay, terrific, right? So 26, price already went to 33, right? 4, 5, 6, 7 points. We already have 7 points in our pocket, but we won 39, right? We won 12 points. We won from 26 to 38, 39. So we won 12, 13 points for our unit number 1. Target 1. Until, right? Because, all right, so we're talking about the main play short term is bullish, long 26, right? And the longer term is bullish also to 39. So being long right now, you are in alignment with the trend. All right? You know how everybody tells you, hey, trade with the trend, don't trade against the trend. Well, these are derelicts. These are amateurs. They have no idea of the amount of points that we make when we counter trend, right? But there's a lot of traders that don't counter trend because they've been told that it's too risky, right? And if they don't know how to read the market, of course it's risky for them. But the most important point is, if they knew what the real trend is, then everybody would, even the teenagers on YouTube would be real millionaires, right? They wouldn't have to rent the Maseratis and the Lamborghinis, right? They will have it for real.
That's right.
You know? So that's how the cookie crumbles, Mystique. So you saw that drop, right? 4 points in 4 microseconds, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what does that tell you, right? Remember the bearish set off short 34? I told you, price is not gonna take that 34, right? By no means we are out of. I'm gonna say it again. We're not out of the woods. That 34 is gonna fight. It's gonna fight the trend to 38, right? With everything they have. Okay, it's okay. I mean, we already had 7 points in our direction, right? Okay, and we know exactly change of direction. What needs to happen for the price to have a change of heart, right?
Right.
Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is crucial right here. All right. So price goes to 26 again. We are expecting it to hold. We need a nice bounce, right? If the price begins giving us a hard time right here, right? Right. So this is a nice entry long again, right? All right. So it's a triple bottom, right? The only setup that the teenagers know about, right? They call it area of demand, right? So right now, smart money knows that all the retail traders are buying the double bottoms, so they need to destroy them, right? Okay, and that's what we need to be here extremely cautious about, right? Alrighty then. Okay, we've known all along these trends of 33, 34, right? And expecting, right, the price to continue going up. It's taking the low. It's taking there forever. There is no clean break. We know that a clean break, it'll continue going to 24 and 22, right? And as long as the price is below where? 27, right? 27, right? That level that I told you a long time ago, right? That's
Yeah,
Exactly, 27, right? So where is the price right now? Below 27. So this is 24, 27, this three little micro 3 point range right here. That's exactly, boom, 24. Alrighty then. Okay, 24, righty. Okay. Look at the action, ladies and gentlemen. Look at it, right? It takes it. I told you, clean break of 27, almost a clean break. It'll continue going to 24, boom, 24. We are in this 3 point range right now. All right. Oh my God, Capi, but you know this thing is gonna break to the downside, man. You said that a clean break of 27, 26, right? Yeah, long time ago. So we have a low here. We have another low here. We have a triple low. Smart money needs to take all the stops off the retail traders. Clean break of 27, right? Change of hat. Price will go to 24. Already did. And now we are expecting the price to continue to 22, right? Shenanigans again, 22, 24, all right? And as long as the price is below 20, 27 is now resistance, okay? Bears to cover. We've known this since 9 a.m. Break of 27, price will, right? So we go long again here, triple bottom, right? Price goes there, breaks to the downside. We change hats because we know it's going to go to 24. It did. We know it's going to go to, we know that the odds are that it's going to go to 24. It did. We know that the odds are that it's going to continue to 22. It almost did, right? Is that what?
22 quarter.
22 quarter?
Yeah.
Okay, I missed it by one tick then, right? I guess I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board.
I think not.
Alrighty? So, change of hat to bear, expecting the price to go here, here, shenanigans, here, all this time, right?
22 hit.
And a continuation to 17, right? Is that gonna be an easy 17 to the tick, 22 to the tick
22
mistake?
to the tick, yeah.
All right. All right. So I believe that's 22 to the tick. Those traders, right, that had the guts to change hats, those traders that believe our forecast, our change of hat discipline, change hats right here, 26, 27, because you know that the odds are that it's going to go all the way to 24, 22. It did. Right now we are at the low of a snake way, right? Remember what I told you. 22, not that it's not going to work, but going long 22 would be a counter trend. And my friends, I don't think so. Remember I told you, we're not going long 22. We're not going to take that counter trend, right? We're going to 17. Our job now is to ride it all the way to 17. Right? Right? 22, right? Not that it's not gonna work, right? That counter trend long 22 is only for real aggressive traders, right? Not that it's not gonna work. Look at it. It goes to 22, 1, 2, 3 minutes, and it's just hanging around there. All right? All right, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so we are in a new rotation right now. So we're gonna have no, it's the same cycle. All right, so we are still in the same cycle, new rotation, same cycle, and that's the reason this 22 is not being taken by the price easily, right? But we know the odds is 17, right? Okay, so trading 101, support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. We know the importance of 27. 27 is now resistance. We believe that the price is now going to continue going down all the way to 17. Remember, an hour ago, 27, 17. All right, so this is a 10-point trip. Okay, we went long 26. Price goes all the way to 33 half, 34, right? So it gives us 7, 8 points. chop, 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 and all of a sudden, bam! Right? Good. It takes and it comes back, of course. A whole bunch of teenagers went long their demo account here. It's a triple bottom, and but we knew that the price was gonna continue going to 24, 22, and now we want to ride it all the way to 17. Right? One straight line? I don't think so, but let's play it. Okay. Righty? Okay. It's 20. Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Gold digger bowl.
All right, this 17 just became a little bit wider. This support 17 now it got a little bit wider. All right, it's now 17, 19. Okay, we have a 2 point now. We have a 2 point now range. Okay, so I'm still expecting 17, but 19 is gonna be looking to stop it. All right, 17, 19. Right, 17 by way of 19. Okay, we just hit 20 quarter.
Gold digger bowl.
Okay, all right. So that's it. We're not interested in 24 anymore. 22 became a key level now. 22, it's an important key level now. 22. Alrighty, so we have now 22, 27. These two are really important. As long as the price is below 27, price is gonna continue going down. And as long as the price is above 22, right, 19 is gonna hold. But you like them bananas. It's called extreme difficult conditions job, right? So what do we want, right? We are short 27. Right, we want the price to break 22, test here 20, right? It's little 2 points there, give us 19, and we'll take it from there. Is it gonna be a piece of cake? Not just like that. Move up to our old 39, which by the way, just leave it there. It's in the back burner, all right? You know how it goes. 39 is in the back burner. Right now, main play, short breakout 27, expecting the price to go to that 24, right? 24, 22, it did, and 19 and 17, right? So the fact that the price is now below 22, our 22, that gives us a little bit of comfort that it's going to continue going, yes, horribly, right? Because we want to make in 2 hours, most people make in 2 months, right? But sometimes we just have to put up with it. Okay, 22 is extremely important. As long as the price is 22, we are comfortable taking it to 17. What do you think is going to happen here at 22? Exactly what's been happening. It's going to hug it. The same thing that happened at 27. Look how many times the price went above, below, above, below 27. It's exactly the same thing. It's going to happen right here, 22. Okay? Yeah, that's for sure. Log the mid-range. That's a good idea. Yeah. Look at your P&L. Right? So, ladies and gentlemen, let me just tell you this. A trader that I've said this so many times. One of the most difficult, if not the most difficult thing to do for a day trader is to change hands. They just cannot do it. They just cannot do it. They get paralyzed. But I understand why they don't do it. All right? Yeah, 610. 610. Yeah, you're right. No, 610. Okay. Let's, let's go 610. All right. But I'm gonna tell you, on a day like today, I don't mind if. All right, sound test. Nas, do you hear? I'm answering your question. Do you hear it? 610. All right. All right. So I don't mind if. So in other words, if you ask me a question and I answer the question, you need to let me know that you heard it, so that I don't continue answering your question. All right. So on a day like today, I don't mind if you jump the gun. Okay, hold on a second. But we're gonna see it, right? We're gonna, if we are right and the market continue going down, we're gonna see it. So we're gonna pulse it out. We're gonna target two. We're gonna pulse it out. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Right. Okay, if the price takes 22, then we're back to no man's land. 22, 27, right? 5 points. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 22, 27, right? 22, 26, 20, 26, 27. Okay, so, all right, so support we can receive, we got support, it goes to 22, almost that 24. Remember, 24 is not that important to us anymore. 22 is 22, 27. All right, so, okay, So what is this 22, 23 right here? Well, 27, right? Target 117, 10 point, accomplished. Bounce, rally in a downtrend. It goes where? To our resistance. 22, 23. Okay, I'll give you 23, 24 again. But it's not really this one. 22 is the one that is really important, right? What do we want? The price below 22. Then we are comfortably riding it all the way to 10, 12. What do you think happened right here at this 22? What do you think the price bounced all the way to 22? Smart money knows that 22 is where the teenagers have the stop on their demo account. We, on the other hand, add to a winner right here or establish a new position short because we know we are expecting the price to continue to 10. All right, so this is exactly what we want to see. All right, it's the smart money destroying the stops. Okay, they had to drop it to take all the stops of the week. Right? We know where we're going. We're going to 12, 10 for target 2, and this is exactly the action that we want to see. Boom, that's 12 to the tick. Remember what I told you a little while ago. Let's pulse it out, right? Let's pulse it out, right? Look at your P&L. You're pretty happy. We made 10 points on the first leg. And look at this gorgeous add to a winner, establish new position short 22, 23 right here. Because we know the price is going to be looking to go to 10, right? 22 to 10. That's another 12 points, right? Okay, from 22, but our original entry is 27 to 12, right? Mid-range 11. Okay, and remember what I told you, on a day like today, I don't mind if you get out at the high of the 2-point range 10, 12. Look at the bounce. It goes to 11.5. Why do you think this is bouncing so fast and so strongly all the way to almost 16? Because everybody knows the importance of 12. Everybody, not everybody, professional traders, those of us professional traders, me and all of you, we know the strengths of this. So, you're right. So there's a lot of locking here, 12, and some counter trending as well. Righty? Right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's right in the middle, isn't it? Okay, bada bing, bada boom, tan tum bing. Okay. Let's go, baby. Let's go to 10. Right, that's 10.5. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, target 2 fully, we're gonna get rid of this, right? Target 2 fully rich. All right, ladies and gentlemen, look at this counter trend, right? Look at the counter trend long 10. Swift, right? Razor sharp entry, swift action, and all the way to 14. So that's 4 points in 4 minutes. That's pretty good for a counter trend, right? Especially at this time of day. Look at it. All righty. So what do we want? We want the price to continue going up at least all the way to 17, and then bam, depending on the time that it gets there, then we'll do the same thing. We add to a winner here like this 22, and write it to possible, all right, the conventional psychological level 600. Okay, but I don't have it in my radar. I don't have it. Okay, but we're gonna continue watching it. All right, because we want target 3, right? So that we can achieve our 3 exits as we do every single day. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's pretty good for the counter trend, right? 10. Look at this, unbelievable, terrific, right? We wanted, 17, right? 16, 17. Look at that gorgeous break all the way to 19. Remember 19? Remember we had a range 17, 19. Boom, 19. All right, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's right. Yep. Yes, sirree. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, look at the clean break of 17, right? Nice. Takes you all the way to 19. We know that beginning 17 is a is an add to a winner or establish a new position, right? Also, and look at that 19. Okay, hold on a second. 19, 19 all the way to 13. 6 points, right? Pretty good. 6 points, right? Remember what I told you. That break of 17 doesn't. I don't have anything telling me that this rally it's a retracement. It goes to our resistance 17, 22, mid range 19. It's an add to a winner, establish a new position short, just like you said, Sean. And look at this nice pullback, right? Which is not a pullback; it's a continuation of the current downtrend, right? It's a pullback in the short term, right? It's a pullback of the bounce '09, but it's not. It's not. It's a continuation, and I'm still looking for that 600, Nas. But I gotta tell you, let me, Oh, please, come on. All right, listen. All I have is the low of the. All right, all right. So let me tell you what I have. That is 606, 605. You know. Hold on a second. I mean, this time of day is tough, but let's see. Let me see. Let me just measure this stuff. ladies and gentlemen. So, all right. So all I have, of course. All right. So time right now, it's 11:50. That's 10 minutes to 12 noon. Okay, but of course, if we see volatility, momentum, if we see our setups working nicely, then we stay, right? As long as it takes, right? All right, so what? So all right, so 17, right? It's done, and next support, okay, begins at 6. Oh, please, are you kidding me? Right here at 6:06. All right, so not much, nothing to call home about. 6:06 is gonna stop it, and then of course, so 6:06 and 6:10. This is 6:06 is part of target 2. All right. Yeah, I know we already got out 6:10, but for the add to a winner short 19, or those who establish a new position, then you want to let it ride all the way to 6:06. All right, 6:06 is part of the target 2, and of course 600, which is a psychological level, and that has 600. I don't have anything at 600, so 600 is not one of our levels. All right, so 600 is nothing but a psychological level. That's it. That's all there is. No biggie. We're not interested in that 600. All right, but we need to pay attention to it, because of course everybody's looking at it, right? Okay, but this is not our target 2. This is nothing but a key level, psychological, right? This is nothing but a psychological key level. This 600 right here, okay? It's got to be live, right? If it's not live, it's not real. Okay, you're gonna be in a room, you're gonna follow somebody, you're gonna be coach, you're gonna be mentor. It's got to be live, real time, as it's happening in front of a studio audience.